strategy to somehow gain sympathy?
I don't necessarily see it that way, no? Lalong-lalo na if I look at it from a litigator's point of view. Kasi kung titignan natin na delaying tactic, it doesn't make sense kasi nakakulong. Nakakulong si Pangulong Duterte, no? Dating Pangulong Duterte. So, I'm sure Attorney Belica will agree with me na sa litigation kasi pag nakakulong yung kliyente mo, mas gusto mong umandar agad yung kaso para
Mas gusto natin makalabas.
mapalayas. Makalabas agad, di ba? The longer na umuusad yung kaso, the longer na nakakulong siya, which is not in the best interest of your client. So, I wouldn't look at it as a delaying tactic. Para sa akin nga, actually, Pastor and Attorney Belica, it's a sign of, I would say, internal discord sa side nila, no? Na masyadong maraming mga umiepal na hindi sila makapag-craft ng isang unified, strong defense strategy, no? At nabanggit ko na to dati, kitang-kita yan dun sa mga argumento ni Kaufman nung pre-trial na hinahaluan pa ng mga argumento that were only good for political points sa atin. Right? Yung inaatake niya yung personality ng judge, yung inaatake niya yung media natin, yung media coverage, which are not relevant to the case kung titignan mo. But of course, relevant sa domestic political discourse. No? Kasi, again, babalik ako doon, no? Napapaandar nila yung content creation machine nila with those kinds of arguments. So, for me, it's not really delaying tactics, no? Or at least hindi sadyang delaying tactic, but more of mukhang nahihirapan sila na magkaroon ng isang malakas at unified na defense strategy. Kasi maraming personalities involved. Diba? Maraming gustong sumingit na ito i-argue natin para ma-argue rin natin to sa politika natin, which is detrimental to his defense.
Yeah. And attorney, alam natin